Alright, welcome back everybody. Okay, I got another amp for you here tonight. Now, this one here is also a custom one that we just put together over the weekend. This guy here is it's a 2-pill AB biasing mobile amp with variable power. And this guy right here has two 2879s. And this is more of your sideband talker. Definitely have the optional sideband switch here. Customer that wanted it is definitely big into sideband, and I believe he's also running a bass unit as well. So he's actually going to use this guy here to drive his 6-pill AB amp that we also put together for him. So he's going to have technically an AB biasing box driver all the way through the final box. So these are definitely nice clean amplifiers. Now they're not big wattage guys like you would see in the Class C. Now the Class C amps is what we normally do. They're more competition oriented. You know, they're anywhere between 85 to 90% efficient. These guys right here in an AB class, you'll probably see is about 65% efficient. So you definitely won't see the watts as you would on the C class, but you will get that that nice clean signal. Okay, and let's go ahead and give a quick little peek here and see what's on the inside. Okay, and then of course we had the custom special blue LED fan with regulator, really low noise, and it's also as all of our videos here, we have the regulator right here in the very bottom corner, so you can go ahead and run it. This guy right here is actually running about 16 volts, so this fan right here at 16 volts will not survive probably no longer than about 2-3 minutes, if that. So we have this regulator here, so you can operate it off 12 volts and on up, just in case you have one of those high voltage power supplies. Alright, now here she be. Okay, got the two 2879s. And this right here is the AB biasing circuit. Now, since this is a mobile guy here, we actually had to do a regulator here on the side of the biasing circuit, so the biasing actually gets the same amount of current all the way through, regardless of the voltage you apply to it. So it's pretty steady. And this one here also does have the variable power control. Now this guy here, I would not recommend driving it like you would a normal 2-pill 2879 model, or like our HD models. The problem with this guy here, the input's all going through the biasing network first, and then of course you got your variable power control, which would not hold. So yeah, this guy here is pretty much just a single final unit only. So you'll probably see roughly around the 200 watt mark. Nothing too crazy, but you know, makes a great driver, good sideband talker all the way around, especially for 10 meter guys as well. So let's go ahead and give her a quick little test here. Again, get it in Washington, single final radio. Alright, and we'll go ahead and get some numbers here on the LP100A. Audio check, check, check. Breaker. Hello, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. AB. Break. Not 209 watts. A little more than I was expecting, but definitely a good solid amp all the way around. And just to show you how many watts we're putting into it, let me go ahead and turn this guy off. Audio break. So almost 19 watts, so not too shabby. Audio check, check, check. Break, break, break. Hello, come in. 1, 2, 3. Breaker, breaker, breaker. Okay, there we go. 201 mark. So ballpark about 200 watts is what you would expect out of a 2-pill AB. We also can do a B class here, which you'll probably see roughly about around 235 watts. B class is not as clean as AB, but it's pretty much, you know, right down to preference. But I don't have these classes listed on our website, so if you're looking for anything AB model, whether it's either a bass amp or a mobile amp, go ahead and send us an email here at DestroyerAmps@AOL.com, and we can go ahead and get you all set up. Alright, thanks for chiming in, fellas. Until next time, 73rds.